I am sending you this letter. The story of one of the Tajik generals, a responsible employee of the Ministry of Internal Affairs of Tajikistan. The event described in this letter, which is communicated to the entire population of Tajikistan through you, is a real story, a true story, and no letters, periods, or commas have been added to it. This is a real story of our time, which happened just a few years ago, and that general is still at work. This general was also the head of the Department of Internal Affairs of the Sugd region for some time. Speaking about General Nazarzoda Kudra Tulo, one of my friends told me the following story. This friend is a close acquaintance of the main character of this story and currently lives and works abroad. My request to you is to print it separately. The story is told in the language of the so-called victim. My father died in 2013. There are people who owed my father. I told this story about the debtors to a classmate. He listened well and said that I can help you, since I know influential people